Okay, so in algebra we use variables, and variables can be represented by anything, really anything. It could be a finger, it could be like my finger. It doesn't matter. But we love a few. We like X, Y, um, Z, and A, and C, and B. I put them like that on purpose. I didn't want to be A, B, C. I want A, C, B. Heck, sometimes we use a circle that goes like this. That's Greek. But we can come across a problem here. You're used to using the multiplication sign like this. Well, you might be used to. In arithmetic, we do this. Whenever we use multiplication, we use an x. But if we use x as a variable, which we love to use x as a variable because we're just, I don't know why, we just do. We like to use x as a variable. So this can be kind of confusing if we were doing like x times x. This can be pretty confusing. So there's some other ways we show that we're multiplying by x or any other variable. We use this for all the variables. We can do a dot. It's not a decimal, it's just a dot. We can use put a dot between the x, and that'll be 2 times x, a dot. Or it can be 2 times y, doesn't matter. Dot means the same thing. Or you could do 2 and then parentheses x. This also means 2 times x. This also means multiplication. But the most common way is 2 and then putting the x with whatever variable right after. Like that. These all mean multiplication. You're multiplying by this variable. Okay, so whenever you see something like this, 2x or 2y, that means that you're multiplying by that variable. And just to give you an example, let's say we have something like y is equal to 4 plus 3x, and x is equal to 7. This would be the same thing as saying, if we evaluate it, we will say, okay, well, then y is equal to 4 plus 3, 7. 3 times 7, or 3 times 7. And since multiplication comes first in the order of operations, 3 times 7 is 21, plus 4 is 25. So this would equal to 25. And that's how it works. That's how we do multiplication with this. We put the variables right next to them, or we put them in the parentheses like that, or we put a little dot between them. Usually we do this. Okay, sounds cool.